We have completed our hiking day from Tellico Gap to Wayah Gap. Good morning. We've started our hike today. It is, I don't know what temperature it is now, but when I left the hostel it was 29 degrees and it is chilly. So likely we won't be getting much video today. My hands are cold already and I've only had the phone out for about 35 seconds. So this is again the view. I'm not sure where we're at, what mountain we're on, or what we're looking at. But hey, it's pretty nonetheless.
Amen.
And almost all the leaves are gone. I have not done much recording at all. It's about 12:30 right now. And we are coming up to the the Wayah Bald fire tower. I'm going to turn you around here. We'll take it on trail. Or up trail, as the case may be.
The fortress will be abandoned, the noisy city deserted. Citadel and watchtower will become a wasteland forever, the delight of donkeys, a pasture for flocks, till the Spirit is poured upon us from on high, and the desert becomes a fertile field, and the fertile field seems like a forest. Justice will dwell in the desert, and righteousness live in the fertile field. The fruit of righteousness will be peace. The effect of righteousness will be quietness and confidence forever. Isaiah 32:14-17.
It's a little one, it's cute. Carve here. Nice. So people don't carve on the building. I think we need to go climb it. Oh, that sunshine is awesome. Let's take a peek out here first. The ever-changing view. Ooh, and look at it. Most of the leaves are gone at this point. Alright, let's check this out here. John Bernard Byrne, Forest Supervisor. Do not love the graffiti. That's where we came from. And there's the wind. Whew. It's actually a parking lot up there. People can drive down here. Or up here, I should say. Nice. We have completed our hiking day from Tellico Gap to Wayah Gap. We are just sitting here waiting for our hostel owner to come pick us up and take us back to the hostel, and then we will be done with our day. It's warmed up a little bit. We're sitting here on a fence waiting. And how did you feel about your hiking day?
Good.
It was good.
We're done.
His second day back on trail, and he did a 13-mile day today and an 8-mile day yesterday, so he did great. All right, cars are coming, so I'm going to sign off.